Hello and welcome to Easy Trick App channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to delete a group chat on Messenger. Deleting a group chat can be necessary at times, especially when the group is no longer relevant or you simply want to declutter your chat history. Here are the steps to delete a group chat on Messenger. Open Messenger on your phone and tap and hold on chat that you want to delete. You'll be able to see that when we hold on a chat, a menu appears, and in here we have this option to delete. When you click on that, a confirmation message appears to confirm your action. We're going to be clicking delete from here, and now you'll be able to see that our chat is now deleted. Once you've completed all these steps, the group chat will be permanently deleted and all the messages, media, and information associated with it will be lost. That's it. You've successfully deleted a group chat on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.